working through the API testing challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and the next challenge I want to do is the get to dos, where I'm using an XML as a preference. Now, what we've seen in previous challenges, if you looked at the previous videos, is that we can change the accept header to specify anything, or application JSON or application XML. What we can also do is have a chain of preferences. And so here it's saying have an accept header where we have application / XML, or if you can't do XML, then give me application / JSON. So what I'm saying here is I prefer XML, but if for some reason you can't do XML, then give me JSON. So when I send this request, I'm expecting to see XML come back because the server can do both. And there we go, in preview, we've received XML. And because I passed the X challenger in as a header, that challenge should now be passed. And we can reorder these to have JSON as the preference, which is the next challenge, or we can have any at the end as a catch-all, because if I don't put any in here, but I've specified application XML or application JSON, and it doesn't do either of those, then we'll receive an error. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.